How do you get a clutter-free kitchen with ADHD? Try these hacks. And the first one is going to be a Lazy Susan. This right here is a Lazy Susan, the bottom part here. The cool thing about a Lazy Susan, it does spin. And so you can spin it around. I have honey on here right now. You can see everything about the honey. We're not going to read the label or anything right on here. You can put as many things on here as you want that will fit on here. This one is really small, so it doesn't have a lot of space for a lot of things, but that's good because then you can put it a lot of different places. This is a great item to have in your kitchen, your bathroom, around your home. It's just really versatile in that way. And here's another hack. Have similar things in your pantry in one place. That means like this, I have 2 boxes of pasta here. I put them in the same place in my pantry along with all the other boxes of pasta. Easy to look at my pantry and find where all the pasta is because it's in that one location, which I've decided. And you do this with other things in your pantry as well, then it makes it easy to find whatever you're looking for. And one of the biggest things in your kitchen is making sure you have enough space in your kitchen. If you have a regular drying rack on your counter, then you know it takes up a lot of space. This is a portable drying rack. And so the great thing about it is it's lightweight, it's easy to carry with you because you can bend it just like that. Now all you do is put this over your sink and then you put your dishes on top of it and it makes it easy for you to dry your dishes right then and there without having to have a lot of space to have this thing on your counter. And something else great to have in your kitchen is a magnetic strip that you can put your knives on. So what you do is you have this strip probably on your refrigerator, on your wall or something, and then you put all your knives right there and they stick on the strip and makes it really easy to have those knives available, and you know that you can find the one that you actually need when you are cooking. And something else that can really bother you in your kitchen is knowing where things are and remembering where things are. This is another great ADHD hack. It is labels. You get whatever kind of labels that you want. These are chalkboard labels that comes with these labels here, and then it comes with a chalkboard pen. But you want to be able to just walk into your kitchen and know where things are without having to think about it, because trying to remember where everything is can be really hard when you have ADHD. So labels are really just required when you have a kitchen and you want to make things a lot easier for you as you are in your kitchen doing whatever you're trying to do. And this right here is called a shelf riser. It's another great hack for your kitchen. What you want to do is you put this in your cabinet or on your counter. As you can see right here, it does have these different bars for a shelf, and you just set it there and then you can put something on top of it like this cup here, or maybe a bowl or whatever you want to put on there, and that gives you more space. And then under it you can have other things as well. It just gives you extra space in your kitchen just by adding this. And if you're enjoying the content, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel and like the video. Another great ADHD hack for your kitchen is to minimize down. For example, I have all these forks right here. I may not need them all, so then I can go ahead and say I want to minimize down. I take these forks, I get rid of them somehow, and then I keep these because this is all that I need. You can do this with anything you have in your kitchen to make sure you're just keeping the essentials that you actually need. That's going to free up space, and then that's going to make space for other things that you might need as well. And another great ADHD hack for your kitchen is to actually use first in, first out. That means anything that's older goes into the front of your refrigerator or pantry. Anything that you bought that's just new goes into the back. That way you're going from oldest to newest, and it makes it really easy to know which one you need to use instead of opening the new one when you have older stuff left of the same thing that you need to use first. And another great ADHD hack for your kitchen is to use clear containers. This container right here has rice in it. I can see that. It's easy to see, easy to spot. This is a great thing for ADHD because sometimes things hide behind other things. It's hard to figure out what's in a container sometimes. This solves that problem. And so anything that you can put into a clear container is going to make your life so much easier when you have ADHD and you're in the kitchen. And another great ADHD hack for your kitchen is to have baskets in your kitchen. These are great because you can see what's inside really easy. You can retrieve what's inside really easy. And the greatest thing about a basket is it keeps things visual, and that's super important for ADHD. You can put them wherever you need them as well too. That's why you need a basket in your kitchen. And if you want even more kitchen organization hacks, I have a video that goes over additional ones as well. I'm gonna put that video up on the screen. Just click it and watch that video.